In this video, we will talk about how to create new user account on Windows 11. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left, select Accounts. Scroll it down. Select Other Users. Click on Add Account. If you want to create a new Microsoft account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Here, you can select Get a new email address to log in Windows 11 with email account. Or you could select Add a user without a Microsoft account to set up local account. Type your username and password. Either you can leave it blank if you do not want any password. Now click on Next to create a new local account. Here you can see our new local account is ready. So that's how you can create new user account on Windows 11. See you in the next video.